So today we're working on a 2015 F550 6.7 liter Powerstroke diesel engine. We're changing out the engine air filter. So this one's pretty simple, pretty basic. This mass airflow sensor, you just pop off the clip to get some wiggle room in here, and then there's 4 clips. Just gotta pop them all off. This thing will pop right up. You just gotta pop it up, slide it out. Sheesh. Just pop right in the new one. That's what it should look like. Make sure she's all set it in there nice. Pop it right back down. Little angle. Set it nice, put the clips right back on. That's the airflow sensor back on the box. And then right here, you just need to push it to reset it. This will end up going in the red if your engine's not breathing well and the cabin air, or the intake air filter is filling up too much. So you just push to reset it, and that's it.